If you also want to start your spoken English journey, so ChatGPT is one of the best apps for practicing spoken English. And the best thing is that it is absolutely free. The basic plan is absolutely free, where you get lots of features. I'll share it with you and tell you in detail, right from scratch, right from downloading and how to use it. So let us start. You can go to the Play Store and type here ChatGPT. So I will search here ChatGPT and ChatGPT and search for it. It is already installed on my mobile, so it is saying only open it because it is already there. Then you only have to sign up for this. And through your laptop also, you can access ChatGPT through your web browsers like Google Chrome. Just type ChatGPT and you can sign it using your Google account. So once the window opens like this, we can see here there are three icons here. The plus icon, I'll just show you what all features it provides. Like you can add photos, then files, create image. So we are right now focusing only on spoken English. In the free plan, all these features are also available to you. In this chat box, we can type whatever we want to ask ChatGPT. Like if I want to ask, how are you? How are you? And then press enter. So it will give me some reply in chat form, in a message form. I'm fine, GPT is here for you. So it has given me this response. Now, this is a mic icon, which is speech to text. The same thing, if you ask it, it will convert your speech into text and it saves a lot of time. How are you? Now I have stopped the chat and you can read whether it is correct. How are you? Yes, and then press enter. So it will give you reply. I'm good. Thank you for asking, and how are you feeling today? And now comes the most important feature, which is this one, voice chatting. You can talk as if you are talking to some other person. You can talk to ChatGPT using this feature. It is an AI tool that talks to you, it even corrects you and helps you practice English anytime, any time of the day. 24/7 English partner, and it gives you immediate corrections. Also helps you in framing sentences, pronunciation, and gives you confidence. Whenever you want to learn spoken English, so the person who is teaching you, he wants to know your current level, whether you are at A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 level. Here, all the levels are written. A1 is the basic one. A2 is you are able to describe your simple daily task. Then B1, you can talk about familiar topics. B2, you can speak confidently. And C1 and C2 are the fluent and expert levels. So once you come to know about your spoken English level, that also you can ask from ChatGPT. I will show you how. Hello, GPT.
That's great to hear. If there is anything specific you'd like to chat about, just let me know.
I have a query. Can you tell me what is my current spoken English level?
Sure. Based on our conversations, I'd say you're around a B2 level, and you're definitely approaching C1. We can fine tune things even further with more practice.
What has made you believe that I am at B2 level and approaching C1 level?
Mainly your fluency, your ability to use a variety of vocabulary, and how you handle complex sentences. Plus, you're comfortable with idioms and advanced phrases, which are hallmarks of a B2 C1 level.
Okay, fine.
Great. If you have any more questions or need help with anything specific, just let me know.
Friends, here ChatGPT has told me that I am at B2 level and just at the verge of C1 level. So I want to make myself more comfortable with C1 level. You can also ask ChatGPT. It will ask you a few questions and let you know about your basic level, whatever is your level. Now, the most important thing is giving prompt, the correct prompt to ChatGPT so that it can give you the correct reply. And that prompt too can be generated from GPT. I'll show you how. First, I have ended this conversation because here I want to generate some prompts. So speech to text facility I'll use. ChatGPT, I want to ask about my spoken English level. Now give me 3 prompts that I should feed in ChatGPT so that it gives me the best response. Now you have ended it. You can read it out. Whatever you want to type, you can do some corrections over here and then you can press enter. Now it is thinking and then generating prompts for you. So you can just read all these 3 prompts. The first one is complete spoken level evaluation, second is deep diagnostic analysis, and third one is progress and action plan. So like if I have to choose, suppose if I choose the first one, you can just copy it, select this one. Now Control C, copy. Then you have to press here at the message box, Control V. It will get pasted and just see now it will give you response. You don't even have to think about the prompt. Tell ChatGPT only to generate the prompt. Now we'll press enter and it will give us some plan. Let us ask ChatGPT to read it out. Hey ChatGPT, can you read my previous response that I have just gotten generated? Like this one, listen to my 1 minute audio. Can you read it?
Of course, here's what you said. Listen to my 1 minute audio. After that, evaluate my spoken English on the CEFR scale, A1 to C2. Give feedback on fluency, accuracy, vocabulary range, pronunciation, and coherence. Then tell me what exactly I should improve next. If you need anything else, just let me know.
So friends, in this way, ChatGPT will tell you your level. It will give you some task. It will ask you some question where you would reply. And based on your response, the choice of vocabulary that you use, the pronunciation, the way you pronounce the words, it will give you your current level. And from there on, you can always take the help of ChatGPT to improve. So let us see. Hello, GPT.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Suppose I am at the beginner's level. I am at A2 level and I want to take my fluency to the next level like B1 level. What all do you suggest to me? What all I should do daily so that my fluency improves?
To move from A2 to B1, I suggest a few daily practices. First, spend about 20 to 30 minutes listening to simple English podcasts or watching shows with subtitles. Second, practice speaking every day, even if it's just talking to yourself or with a language partner. Third, try writing a short paragraph or journal entry each day to reinforce vocabulary and grammar. And finally, focus on learning about 5 to 10 new words each day and use them in sentences. Consistency is key.
You have seen that how ChatGPT has generated a daily plan. You can work upon that, whatever it has suggested, and it is definitely going to improve your spoken English skills. Now, one more thing here I want to tell you that it has told you to write also something. You can just describe one paragraph in front of ChatGPT and tell it to refine you. Like, I'll give you an example. I will just speak 2, 3 lines. Later on, just tell me if I made any mistakes. If I have made any mistakes, you just refine them. And also tell me what I would have spoken to enhance my spoken English. Now you have to listen to me. I'll just speak 2, 3 sentences. You can just point out if I have made any mistakes. Thereafter, give me a refined version of that. Understood?
Absolutely. I understand perfectly. Just go ahead and speak your sentences, and I'll listen carefully. After that, I'll give you feedback, point out any mistakes, and provide refined versions to help you improve.
Okay, so let me speak 2, 3 lines from beginner's level. I woke up at 6 a.m., then I got ready, I had my breakfast, I went to my office.
That was great. Your sentences were clear and straightforward. One small refinement could be to add a bit more detail or variety. For example, instead of saying, I got ready, you could say, I got ready for the day by taking a shower and getting dressed. Overall, you're doing really well. And with a little more practice, you'll keep improving.
So, friends, it has given you now slightly, it has refined that how you can give detailing to whatever you speak. So if you give detailing, that means your level is increasing, you are able to express yourself more fluently, and clarity of thoughts are there. So in this way you can enhance your spoken English skills. You know, the best part is that we can even copy paste our conversations with chat gpt and keep it for our future references. So this chat is saved in your laptop memory or phone memory. You can copy paste it in your notes, and whenever you want you can refer to it. So like this way it will get selected, then you can copy it, and if you want you can paste it like this. I have opened a, you can paste it here. So in this way you can refer to it anytime you want. So friends, don't aim for perfection right from day one. Perfection definitely will come with practice. Rather, your aim should be daily improvement, because daily improvement will lead to a bigger change in life. And now the ball is in your court. Start practicing from today onwards.